Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a good old-fashioned organization tips and hacks video. Snix is currently trying to attack my tripod. Can you please not? Please. Sit over there. Yeah, so today's video is going to be organization, which I know you guys love, so hopefully you find this helpful, maybe learn something new, and of course if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, check out my Instagram, all of the things. You can do that, and I do a lot of organization videos on my channel, so if you like this kind of stuff, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. Also, apologies if you can hear, I'm quite stuffed up right now. I'm just getting over a cold, so if I sound kind of funny, that is why. But tip number one has to do with your drawers and folding your clothes in kind of like a file folding way. This way you can see everything you own. It takes up a lot less space than stacking them kind of upward, if that makes sense. And this is something that I always forget to do, but once I do utilize it in all my drawers, it makes such a difference and makes everything look so much tidier, and it's just nice being able to see everything and just like knowing what you have, because there's always those clothes at the bottom of the drawer that you're like, wow, can't even remember the last time I wore this because I haven't seen it in forever. You guys know I'm absolutely obsessed with making to-do lists, so I wanted to bring forward this idea of having a daily, a weekly, and a monthly to-do list. And this is a great thing to have in your planner, or if you have like a bullet journal or a notebook or something that you like to use to stay organized, this would be a great place to keep this. And daily things could include like wiping your counters of your kitchen, making your bed, putting away your laundry, or just kind of tidying up things like that. And then obviously weekly would be like cleaning your bathroom and maybe, I don't know, doing laundry, things that you want to do weekly, and then having a monthly to-do list, which are the bigger things like cleaning out closets and maybe organizing storage units. And dividing these things into 3 different tasks makes it a little bit more manageable. I find that it's not as overwhelming when you see it like, okay, I need to get these things done every single day. I can totally do that. And then of course you want to get these things done weekly. Great, got it. And then the bigger tasks for the monthly are just like things that you've been wanting to get done but haven't really thought about it, but over the month you can probably achieve 4 or 5 of those things, and then you're golden. My next tip is to write lists as you go, and I find this one extremely helpful because I hate getting to the grocery store and being like, I have no idea what I need. I know I need about 1 billion things, but I don't know what they are. So I like to make sure I write my to-do list and my grocery list ahead of time, or like while I use things. So I actually talk to my Google Home and tell her what to put on my grocery list, but also I like to use the Google Keep app, which I shared with you guys in my top 5 organization apps video. It's really great, and you can just categorize a bunch of different lists. So this would be another great place to have your daily, weekly, and your monthly to-do list, but it's just so nice and visual and you can kind of categorize it. But adding things to to-do lists as you go makes life so much easier, and then you're not forgetting anything, and then you like feel so on top of your A game. Another tip I have for you guys that kind of goes along with that is just what you can do to keep your house more organized and tidy, and that is just doing everything when you think about it. So cleaning as you go, tidying up as you go, you know, when you come home and you want to take off your shoes, put them on the rack and put your coat away, you know, simple things like that. And like cleaning up when you're making dinner, like when you have a moment to kind of spare when you're in the process of cooking something, you know, tidy up something so then you don't have to do it at the end, and it just makes for a happier home. I find that this helps so much, and it just makes me feel like I'm really on top of things, but also I don't have a ton of work and cleanup to do at the end of any task, which I like. So yeah, that is kind of one of my biggest tips, is just clean as you go and be tidy and just mindful. Like, you know, I always throw my clothes on the ground, and I really wish I wasn't in that habit, but you know, cleaning up the clothes as you go makes so much of a difference because everything looks tidy and put away, and you can just do it right then instead of having to do it later. It makes like complete sense. And my last tip for you guys is something I'm actually working on myself, and that is keeping all of my surfaces super clean and minimal looking. And this can be kind of hard if you have a lot of stuff, but I honestly see all these pictures on Pinterest and Instagram of these beautiful homes with very minimal things on their counters, and it looks so gorgeous. So I'm trying to work on that myself and just kind of, you know, once I'm done using things, put it away in the pantry or put it away in the kitchen, that I meant bathroom. But anyway, just like keeping all my surfaces super minimal and like crisp and clean, and like my coffee table, I've been working on that and it looks so good. And then when you wake up the next morning and everything is so tidy and clean, I love that look and it just makes me feel really happy. So wanted to include that in this video. Those are all my organization tips for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see more organization type videos from me, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if there's anything in specific you would like to see. I think it'd be kind of fun to do organization tips for different sections of the home, so like a kitchen organization tips and hacks, and then maybe like a bathroom one. I don't know. What do you guys want to see? I want to hear from you. But other than that, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye. Look at my little sleepy baby. He was sleeping on my lap the whole video. What a little snuggle bug. You a little snuggle bug? Oh, little snuggle bug. Say bye. Say bye to the friends. Love you. I'll let you go back to sleep now. Okay, bye. He's purring.